Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another official MotorMike YouTube video. And today we're going to be discussing the future of the MotorMike YouTube channel. Now, there are some things I would like to change immediately, right off the rip. I have had 10 videos so far, 10, including this one right now. There's 10. And we need to change some things up. First of all, I am way too filtered on camera, and I'm just like, oh, look at me drive. No, we need to change that up. We need more personality in these videos. I'm sick of it. I look back at those videos, I'm like, what am I doing? What am I doing? We need more strong charisma. We need more entertainment, excitement in our lives. So, in today's video, we're gonna be discussing the plan, the game plan moving forward, the future, content, just everything. We're gonna put it in stone now when it's cold, so when the summertime comes, we're popping off and we're gonna be hot boy summer and hot boy cars. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Let's find out what's going on with MotorMike. Now here's my thing. Here's my main point of concern for the MotorMike channel. I feel we have a great start. We had a great start, guys. A fantastic start. A lot of support. A lot of people hyping up your boy. But we need to advance. It's time to start pushing forward. What do I mean by this? Well, first of all, I need to stop putting on a filter on camera, okay? I have to appeal to the algorithm. I can't really curse and stuff, which I'm not trying to curse that much anymore, but I feel like I'm filtering the way I speak a little bit. I'm not as free-flowing as I would like to be. I'm not sure if that comes over with time or what, but I just want to, like, right now, this is just me free-flowing, talking to you like I'm talking to my friends, just nice and chill, nice flow, nice soothing flow. And really, I just want to perfect me first. I feel like I'm breaking up with somebody. I want to perfect who I am and the way I present stuff, and just work on my presentation skills. I mean, they're okay as of now, but you know, I want to improve. As time goes on, I'm sure I would improve, but I want to see fast improvement quickly. I want to be the best YouTuber by tomorrow. Today's over, tomorrow's the future, whatever the hell. But I just want to improve my content and push the envelope forward a little bit. Because it's good making videos for your friends and family and all. And you know, a couple other. Oh, sick of Jeep, bro. That thing off-roads. Ooh, E46, that was pretty cool. Okay, well, back to what my ADD kicked in. I'm so sorry. It's nice making videos for my friends and family. They're like, oh, look, Mike's recording a video. Ooh, look at him. He's such a grown big boy now. What a handsome young man. But I think I want to present myself more to my target audience. And figuring out to go from point A to point B, it's not going to be straightforward. I think TikTok, I think I would have to give in to my peer pressure and get TikTok. No, it's fine, go. Oh, the woman! I think I'm gonna have to pursue into the TikTok, and I think shorter videos will definitely help. But the thing is, what short videos can I do at the moment? All I do is pretty much drive around and talk. So, you know, I guess I would have to do YouTube Shorts, TikTok, stuff like that. So you're gonna start seeing some more content like that from me. So that's the type of content we're gonna dabble our feet in. Hopefully that should help us grow out the channel a little bit. Second, I can't curse on YouTube still. That was a boo-boo. I'm gonna have to beep that out in the edit. Second thing. Yo, I know it's cold, I know it's brick, but homies, people that said, oh, Mike, I'll let you review my car. Let's make it happen. Give me a firm date. There's like one of you that's like serious about it. I've had like 3 people be like, oh, Mike, review my car, review my car, review my car. MotorMike needs to know your schedule. MotorMike needs to plan in advance. MotorMike needs to know. I want to review your cars. I want to review your cars. I don't care what it is. I don't care. You guys know me. I do not care. I drove a Corolla on the channel. You know, this Corolla S. I want to review your cars. If you have a cool car, guys, that know me in person, then let's hook it up. Let's put a date in stone. Because I can't, how many more times am I gonna drive Priscilla and Judy about? Like, oh my God, my V6 Mustang is slow. You know, my old car, my old Judy has the 4-speed. This is so cool. Do you guys want to watch that? Oh, shut the bottle. Break check. I will freaking destroy your family heirloom. I swear to you. Like, really? It's always the groaner. Oh, I cursed again. Gosh diggity darn. Gosh diggity darn. Really? Really, Gretchen? You're gonna follow me? Okay. Eat that. Eat my dust. That's right, you turn. You go to your suburb house. Dummy dum dum. That took way too long to kick down. Let me test it again. Test is good. Transmission is not blown up. What the hell was I saying? Oh my God, I'm getting so distracted today. Oh, cool car. If you have a cool car, let me review it. If you have a car, let me review it. That's it. Moving on. That was point number 2. And finally, point number 3, last but not least, we need to find actual car events. I know it's winter, nothing's going on, but I need to find actual car events, like car shows. Not even car shows. I need like the young people meets, you know? Like, yo, what's up, dog? You want to jewel in my Subaru? Like, I need to find car meets with like cars like, I'm not sure if you, like cars like that. Like, you know, the youth cars. It'd be like, yo, you want to do hookah and drink and blast rap music, dog? Like, what? Like, what? I need to find people. Oh, car cruising too. Car cruises. If you got a cool car and I got a cool car, let's cruise, baby. Let's go on a cruise. I want to drive with people. I know it's brick out, but when winter is over, I'm trying so hard not to curse right now. When winter is over, I want to be out driving with you guys, my friends, and strangers on the internet. I want to go driving with you guys, and I want to record us driving and make memories. But if you guys are still gonna be, here's the problem. People think I'm weird. Surprising, I know. People think I'm weird, so they'll be like, yeah, sure. We'll do that, Mike. And then I'll never hear from him again. So, I know what you're up to. I know what you guys are up to. Trying to be nice and a weird kid, I get it. You're hurting my feelings. You're hurting my feelings. But come on, hit me up. Hit me up. I want to cruise with you. I want to drive with you. Let's see, is there anything else off the top of the MotorMike head that I would like to talk about? School bus, beep bop bop. So, pretty much, we're going to be improving the channel slowly. I like to give you guys a little insight on my ideas, on my ambitions, on what I want to do, essentially. You know, put it in the air, what we're trying to get at. Ooh, Cadillac in a beat up Tacoma. That slams. Well, that's pretty much my mindset. I want to improve my content. I want to improve my channel, and roll with the, you know, get it flowing. Just get it flowing. Whatever that means. We just got to get it flowing. So, hopefully, you guys. It's not like a typical. Here's my car again. It's a blue Mustang. My car is blue because it's blue. And oh, Judy's a Judy car. Like, we need to cut that out. We need to cut that kind of content out. We're above that now. MotorMike has improved. We have 43 subs. Also, wheels for the Mustang. Wheels for the Mustang. Should we do it in there? But we need to improve. The Oh, we actually hit some milestones. I think the VW Bug video has over 600 views. 600! That means 6 groups of 100 people have viewed that video. That's crazy. I know that's nothing in the world of TikTok where you can just record freaking the restaurant over there and get like 10,000, but like, hey, humble beginnings, ladies and gentlemen, humble beginnings. One day we're gonna look back at these videos, we're gonna be like, wow, MotorMike really did that. Instead of a V6 Mustang, he's got a GT Mustang now. And Judy's freaking twin turbocharged, and she does wheelies down a quarter-mile drag strip, you know, stuff like that. That's what we gotta, I'm turning, whee! That's what we gotta aim to be. Because MotorMike shall not be sought on. He shall not be sought on. We have a good foundation. We have a good start. And we're going to go from there. What is this guy doing? That is a very interesting parking scenario. You have got yourself in there, buddy. You're not be me. But, as I always say, if you guys did enjoy today's upload, are enjoying the content, are excited to see the progression of the MotorMike, definitely subscribe, like the video, share it with your grandma and mom and dad instead of me sharing it with my grandma, mom, and dad, and just enjoy life. Also, before we go, 2023, get your goals, get your gains, make sure. I can't curse on YouTube. Gosh, diggity darn. Keep my composure. Get your gains. Life is too short not to be happy. And I shall see you in the next upload. Have a nice day, guys.